Off with Maya Courtney, who celebrates her 12th birthday. And Miss Maya, a very happy birthday to you. And I want you to know this comes with a special note with love from Mom and Juju.
All right, and we have Alexis Gilpin turning sweet 16 this year. Happy birthday to Alexis. Love Nana and Grandpa.
Ariana Thompson, a sweet 16 as well. I love when the balloons come out right there. Ariana, she celebrated her sweet 16 yesterday, but we're going to carry the party in on today as well.
Well, there's a party going on in St. Paul, Kansas, because Grant Hutcherson is now 21 years old. Happy birthday, Grant.
Brett McGee, celebrating a 25th birthday. Wait, hold on. I'm too far away from the monitor to... Who we got there?
Looks like his name. Over.
Me and McGee, I get it. Little Bobby McGee reference. I like it. I like that. That's good. Happy birthday, Brett.
Okay, we like that. All right, and we've got Cyrusia Gordon turning 27 years old in Pittsburgh. Hope you have a great birthday, Cyrusia. And I know you will because you're going to be celebrating it with your son, Grant, who is also celebrating a birthday. 1 year old for Grant.
Too cool right there. Brian Collins, he's celebrating his 59th birthday. And I'll tell you what, that's a great picture right there. A little bit cold to be doing that today, but it harkens back to warmer and easier times. Brian is the facilities director at Parsons State Hospital, and that picture that we're looking at right there, that was taken at the Talamina Trail in western Arkansas. Brian, what a marvelous photo, and a very happy birthday to you and Parsons.
All right, love coming from the family out in Carthage for Gail Irwin, who's now 64 years old. Hope you have a great one, Gail.
And we've got a birthday for Miss Rose Kern. Happy birthday to Rose. She is celebrating her 92nd birthday. Rose is in Pittsburgh.
All right, Linda Garrison celebrating a birthday in Columbus. Hope you have a great one. Happy birthday, Linda.
Jan Allen, a happy birthday in the bus. And Mike Rebo, he is celebrating a birthday in Iola. Happy birthday, Mike. Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all. That's where you send them into. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get a bunch of deals from local advertisers. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com/birthdays and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Wind chill advisory in effect